Hi, welcome to another DLH.io technical walkthrough. Today we're going to be looking at a very popular system, Beans Route. It is a delivery dispatch and routing system which handles the last mile deliveries for customer deliveries. We're going to see how we can integrate Beans Route into your cloud data warehouse destination of choice. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is create a brand new project inside of DLH.io. I've created one here already. I've called this Beans Route Demo. We see that we don't have any sources configured yet in this project. So what I'm going to do is click on Create Source. This is going to take me to the source connections page where I can then filter for the particular source that I'm looking for, in this case Beans Route. So we'll go ahead and filter, we'll look for that connector. Once we find it, we'll click on Add Source. Now, this takes me to a page where I'm able to enter in some very specific information about my Beans Route account. First thing we'll do is give it a name or an alias so that we can distinguish it in the system from other connectors we might have as we're building our own data lakehouse reference architecture or trying to do some robust reporting where we're enriching the data or aggregating data from different data sources. So let's give this a simple name, such as our Beans Route. And the next thing we're going to do is add a target schema prefix. So if you're using the managed analytics capability of datalakehouse.io already, this is probably already taken care of during your onboarding process for that solution. If you're coming at this from a different angle where you already have your own cloud data warehouse, you already have a reporting and analytics team, and you simply need to load your data or synchronize your data from your Beans Route account into your cloud data warehouse, then you're going to follow this set of instructions. Then lastly, for setting up the connection configuration here, we need to get the API key information from your Beans Route account. If you watch our other video or read the documentation on configuring your Beans Route platform for datalakehouse.io, then you will already have this API key ready. If you don't have this API key handy right now, please follow that video or navigate to our documentation, which will walk you through how to create an API key inside of your Beans Route account. Let's go ahead and add that. Once we've added our API key, we can then click on Authorize Your Account. And once you click on Authorize Your Account, the connection will be made almost immediately. And if there are any issues, you'll be prompted with an error warning giving you some details about why the connection was not successful. Once we've created a successful connection, we can then navigate to the source schema to understand what types of entities or what types of data is going to be available to us when we synchronize the Beans Route information from our account into the cloud data warehouse. This type of information can be used with other geographic or demographic information to provide more holistic reporting and end-to-end analytics for your organization. Thank you so much for watching this technical overview for Beans Route with datalakehouse.io, getting the data into a meaningful place so you can do better reporting, analytics, and machine learning. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.